welcome back to WP Glob's YouTube channel. Do you want to build an eye-catching website just in 2 minutes without touching a single line of code? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning website with the help of Elementor's Essential Addons and its newest liquid glass effects. So let's get started. Your first step will be to head on your WordPress dashboard and to make sure that you have both the Elementor and Essential Addons installed and activated. Once you have checked it, it is time to activate Essential Addons liquid glass effects. Next step will be to configure the liquid glass effect in one of your elements. To do that, you need to choose one of your Elementor's pages. Select which element you want to show the effect on. Here, as you can see, I have already made one. You can see we have an info box element. Go to the advanced section and enable the liquid glass button. It is important to note that liquid glass effects is only visible when a semi-transparent background color is applied. That means it appears better when you use a background color that lets a little bit of the content behind it show through. So, next, select which type of effects you want to apply. As you can see here, we have 5 different glass effects: heavy frost, soft mist, light frost, grain frost, fine frost. So let's choose one. Here you can notice different configurations that you can set based on your preference. Choose settings like changing the background color or backdrop filter, set up the noise distortion, and add different shadow effects with different shadow settings on your element. Set different border types, border radius, set the margin, angle, blur density, position, and color of the border to show the effect more attractively. Also, you can enable the liquid glass effect on the button by going to the content section, then click and enable the liquid glass effect, select your preferred style. You can add a backdrop filter or color and more. As you can see, this tool is very customizable. Be creative and make the glass effect as you want. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe for more digital tips.